Guys, what is up? It's Reese Tafso back from another video. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about the public profiles, the creator profiles, and the verified accounts that are on Snapchat. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so starting off with public profiles, we're going to talk about who's getting them, why they're getting them, and what a public profile means. So who is getting the public profiles? As of right now, they are being rolled out to random accounts or accounts with very big followings, such as 10,000 subscribers or more. Now, what is a subscriber counted as? Anyone who has you added is counted as a subscriber if you have your account set to anyone can view your story. Now, what does a public profile mean once you get one? A public profile means that you can add a bio, a profile picture, highlight, show off any lenses that you have, and have the gold subscribe button. A public profile also means that whenever anyone mentions you in their story, your account will now say subscribe whenever they mention you. Now, what does not come with a public profile? A public profile does not come with insights, does not allow you to post to your story, does not allow you to put a website link in your bio, and a public profile does not allow you to tell what you do, such as a vlogger, a lens creator, so on and so forth. Now moving on to creator profiles. Creator profiles are when you can view insights, you can assign roles to different people, you can post to your public profile, you're also now able to have a website link. Once you have a website link, you can attach any other socials to that. You can also add highlights, which you were able to do in the last one. Now with assigning roles, this means that other people can go on your account, not specifically your account, but they can also be part of your public profile. Now, how do you get a creator account? To get a creator account, you want to have 10,000 plus subscribers. At least that's what I've been hearing. Now, another way of getting a creator account, you can click the link that I have in my description and you can apply to be a creator account. They are slowly reviewing these and may give you one if they believe you're fit for one. Now, what is Snapchat verification? Snapchat verification is when you have the gold star and you also have a creator profile. You can get this from being a lens creator or just from having a lot of views / subscribers. Now, a subscriber is anyone who is subscribed to you, but then again, they may not always view your story. So you can have 16,000 subscribers and only have 300 views. It all matters about the people that have added you. Now, how can you get yourself a creator profile or a public profile? As of right now, it matters what region you're in the world, and public profiles are being rolled out to a small amount of people. Once you have your public profile, you want to try and get to 10,000 subscribers, and then apparently you will automatically be switched to a creator profile. From there, you want to work up to 100,000 subscribers, where you will be able to get a verified account. Alright guys, that's everything for today's video. I know this was also a short video, but I think this gave you a pretty good idea of what each of these profiles means, how you can get one. So I hope you all have a good day, and I'll see y'all in my next video.